In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from OKX Wallet to another wallet. So if you want to transfer Bitcoin from OKX Wallet to a different wallet, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch it until the end. So let's go ahead and start. And if we want to send the Bitcoin from OKX Wallet, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Home tab first, and then we're going to click on the dots at the top left. And once you do that, you need to click on this option Withdraw in here. So click on this, then click on Withdraw Crypto. So right now, select the crypto that you have in your account, and I have BTC in my account. So if I want to transfer Bitcoin, then I need to click on BTC in here. And down below, in this screen, you will see a couple of options. So you can see that you can use your address book to get an OKX recipient. So if you have your other wallet stored in here, go ahead and click on this and then select your address. But if you do not have it just like me, then you're just going to click on exchanges or wallets. So let's go and click on this. And then you need to slide this to the right to continue and make sure that you only withdraw and send the Bitcoin on the right address. So if you're withdrawing on the Bitcoin address like we're in right now, also receive on the Bitcoin address, because otherwise your crypto might get lost. You can also see the estimated arrival time of your transfer and the fee that you will be paying. So I'm just going to slide this to continue. And now in here, I can enter the wallet address of my different wallet. And in here, I can enter the withdrawal amount. So in this tutorial, I'm just going with Phantom Wallet as my other wallet, but of course you can use any other one. So go ahead and open up your other wallet and then go ahead and click on something, let's say receive or deposit crypto. And in Phantom Wallet is saying receive. And then we're going to click on Bitcoin. And then we can click on this copy to clipboard to obtain our wallet address. And right now we can go back to OKX Wallet. So paste in the wallet address in here by clicking on paste and then enter the amount that you want to send. So let's go ahead and fill something in here. Let's do something like this. Then click on done. And then if you want to finalize this transfer, go ahead and click on submit down below. And then you will finalize this transfer. Again, you can also see the fees that you will be paying. This is the amount that is going to be received, and this is the amount that you will be sent. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.